Make it pay for what it did, Chase. Pull up. Chase, pull. There you go. Get up on top of the roof there. Lift it up and get on the other side of the roof. And then drive forward. So pull all the way back. Or yeah, push that forward. There you go. Now drive forward. There you go. Now drop that hammer down. You're getting it. Yeah, fuck you, Shed. So much power. So handsome. Nine-inch nails. So much anger. Make that shed pay for what it did. Yeah. Get it. Get it. Lift that blade up on the front. Right handle, all the way to the right. More to your right, more to your right. Nope. One handle over. Nope, stop. One handle over. Pick your right hand up, move it 6 inches. No, pick it up, pick it up. No, lift your hand up off the joystick. There you go, move it 6 inches to the right. That one, pull it back. There you go. Now go fuck more shit up. Hey, you haven't lived until you've torn a shed apart at 8 o'clock at night. I think he's going to drive to the coast.